promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
In order to fix the NETHUNTER KEX VNC error, all you have to do is follow the same steps I'm showing it to you on the screen. Okay? So the first thing would be always update and upgrade. I'm updating my termux. It will not take time. It's done. Now get inside the NETHUNTER. Now try to update and upgrade it too. Now let's try to update and upgrade our Kali Nethunter. Okay, press enter, and here you can see there are some errors. Can you see it? Now let's check the repository files whether it is correct or not. Okay, nano etc apt source.list. Yes, it is correct. Control X, exit. Now the final solution. If you have watched my previous video on NETHUNTER, you may have this file in your root directory of termux. Just copy it and paste it here. Press Y, hit enter. It will take some time. It will ask so many times to press Y. So you have to do Y all the time. Okay, again press enter or Y. So it will download the full operating system and reinstall it to fix all the errors. Okay, this is the basic way. If your system is perfectly running, there is only error with Kex VNC server, you do not have to do this process. Okay, so let me pause the video and wait for some time. So now it says NETHUNTER installed successfully. Okay, so let us check if Kex works now. Password for Kali user. Exit. Kex Password. Okay, Kex, and here you can see still there is VNC error in front of us, which is VNC server, no matching VNC server running for this user. Okay, to fix that we have to run another third-party VNC inside our NETHUNTER. Let me show you how to do it. First, let me check if there is no background process running in it. Okay, so I tried my best to fix it using screen recorder, but it didn't work. That's why I'm recording it. Okay, NetHunter. apt update. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Again, I won't do it. It will take lots of time. Just I have updated it in previous trials. So if you want, you can skip this option. Okay. Now download the third-party VNC server named as tight VNC server. apt sudo apt install tight VNC server. Okay, before installing it, first change the user password for Kali. Let me show you. For this user. Okay. So to change the password, type the command sudo password Kali. Kali is the username. Okay, now enter the password you previously had. By default, Kali is the default password for Kali Nethunter. Now enter the new password. It's done. Now install the VNC server. It's already installed in previous trials. Okay. Now run the VNC server using command tight VNC server. Okay. Simply hit the enter. Now here you can see there is a log. If you want to see errors, just cat this log. Okay. Clear it. Now get inside the Kex VNC server. So now I'm going to change the password again, but before that you have to close the tight VNC server. Hit enter. There is no such process. Okay, it was running on 2 but 02. Not an issue. I'll check my sudo password first. Password Kali. Okay, now exit it. Type VNC server. And again here you can see there is a lock. Okay. But our server is running on port 2. So we can ignore that lock. Okay, let's check it first. Zero 02 and the new password try to connect it. Here we are in. Okay, let me show you. See? Okay, now do not skip the video because I'm going to show you how to change the screen resolution, because by default Tight VNC server comes with a predefined screen resolution which need to be changed. Okay, so first log out it. Log out. And then close the NETHUNTER VNC. It's closed. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the location nano etc Tight VNC server conf. Scroll down using up and down arrow key. You can do it from here also. See? And here's the screen resolution. By default, it will come like this. You have to uncomment it. I might have done something wrong. If you have done it too, press Ctrl X and hit enter. Okay, now run it again. Scroll down and just you will get like this. Uncomment it and in this portion change your device resolution according to what fits to your device and save it using Ctrl O and then exit it, Ctrl X. Now there is another error. Please wait. Do not skip the video because I'm not done now. When you come to my blog, it's very recent blog for this, and scroll down. Here you can see the screen resolution will be pretty much half. You have to fix it by editing the configuration file for Tight VNC. Okay, all the commands are written here. How to find your screen device, mobile device resolution. You can download this app. Okay, now edit the VNC server configuration file to change the resolution. Okay. Now scroll down. We are connected. Now there is a error like we cannot access Firefox in it. Okay, so how to fix it? Everything is written here. First you have to check if your device is connected to internet or not. Let me connect it to NETHUNTer once. Type VNC server, and again it's running on port number 2. Okay, ignore this log. You can delete it. Yes, you can delete it, but just ignore it for now. Come back to Kex VNC server, and here we are logged in. I haven't done anything, but we are logged in inside it. Now check for Firefox. In my previous check I found that it was working, but at the very first installation it was not working, so I found some alternate for it. Okay. Google.com. Yes, internet is working here. Okay, suppose that in your case internet is not working, then how to fix it? For that you have to uninstall an alternative to Firefox, which is Chromium for Kali Nethunter. Okay. Now again, log it out. Close it first. Log out it, and this time close this. Okay. Now come to the browser. Our NETHUNTer is using most of the memory, that's why it's refreshing the pages again and again. So internet is working, and here you can see what is the difference between Chrome and Chromium, and there are lots of things, you can read it. For now I'm going to install Chromium. In my NETHUNTer. Okay, now paste it here and hit enter. Okay, now get back to browser once again. There are so many methods to edit this file, you can see that. Now for Chromium, copy it, and in here add a new line, and paste the repository link here. Okay, let me see if it is correct. Yes, it's correct. Now hit Ctrl O, then Ctrl X. Now update your device. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. It will take some time to install the update, especially Chromium web browser. Okay, so do not skip. Still we have to configure and make it executable. Okay, now come back to browser once again. Okay, just copy it, paste it here, hit enter. Now it's going to install Chromium web browser, and it will take some time because it's more than 200 MBs. Okay, so wait for some time. Now there is nothing to do. Mistake. Let me verify. Okay. Come to the web browser. Just copy it. Get back to termux. And we will change it from here. Paste. Control OX, Control X. Now close the server which was running on port number 3. Okay. Now close VNC as well. Run the server. And this time let me delete the log file. To do that, close the server first. Then copy this and sudo rm -rf and paste it here. Okay. Hit enter. Now run the server once again. This time we have to read the logs. Cat and paste. Hit enter. Everything is failed. Then don't know how it is working. Close it. Run once again. Again on port number 3. NETHUNTER connected. Come here. Zoom this section. Okay, now Chromium web browser. Yes, this time it's working. Now check for Google. It's working perfectly fine. Okay, so this was the video for fixing Kali Nethunter Kex VNC error. If you find some more errors, let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely help you out. And if you want some personal assistance, let us talk on Instagram to get that fixed. Okay, for now, this was it for the day. Take care of yours and have a great time ahead.